There is another similar expression,
打落水狗，打落水狗，
which is similar to,
落井下石，
meaning beat the dog when it is in the water. It is used when someone is down, we give him further strike. For example,
唔打落水狗，恐防俾佢反咬一啖喎。唔打落水狗，恐防俾佢反咬一啖喎。
in English, it means, why not beat the dog when it is in the water, just in case he bites us back? The English expression rub salt into someone's wounds. In Cantonese, we translate into,
喺佢傷口灑鹽，喺佢傷口灑鹽。
for example,
佢個仔早2日自殺身亡，我哋安慰佢嗰陣要小心講嘢，切勿喺佢傷口灑鹽。佢個仔早2日自殺身亡，我哋安慰佢嗰陣要小心講嘢，切勿喺佢傷口灑鹽。
in English, it means, her son just committed suicide 2 days ago. Be careful what we say when comforting her. Don't rub salt into her wounds. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.